What is up, Wanderers? We are here for another one-take bag review. This time we've got something pretty unique. So you, like me, probably have a million different bags being suggested to you all the time, whether it's on Amazon or on Instagram. The internet knows that we like bags, and so the internet keeps feeding us a ton of bags. This bag has popped up like 5 million times in my Instagram feed. And so I thought I would give it a shot and see, does Instagram know what it's talking about? Does the algorithm work? And can Abercrombie and Fitch make a backpack? That's what we're talking about today. You know what we do here. We do a full walkthrough of the bag, exterior and interior. We're also gonna do, as always, two things that I love about the bag, two things that not so much, and then an overall recommendation. Should you buy this backpack from Abercrombie and Fitch? Instagram thinks I should buy it. All right, let's talk about it. So, first off, on the exterior, this is like a flight nylon sort of bag. Feels like a old school military windbreaker. Feels fairly well made. You've got a small bit of branding right here in black. It says Abercrombie and Fitch. You have some very thin zipper pulls and some A and F Abercrombie and Fitch logos on the zippers themselves. On the back side, you have two straps along with a luggage pass-through. All right, but that's not the kind of selling point and the feature of this bag. So this bag is really all about these two side pockets. That's the unique pitch of this bag. I forgot to say, actually, the zippers, while not YKK, are waterproof, advertised as such. Certainly look that way. As to whether or not they're fully waterproof, I haven't tossed a laptop in and then thrown water all over this bag. So let's talk about the pockets themselves. So first, over here on the side, you can see that there's a green liner inside a green pocket, and this is water bottle shaped and sized. Of course, you don't have to put a water bottle in a water bottle pocket, and you've got two of them, one on each side. You likely aren't carrying two water bottles. So umbrella, power bank, etc., all can go in those pockets. On the front, you have a slip pocket, again, green interior, about the size of 2 cans of soda, a Nintendo Switch and a half, let's say. Then you have a drop pocket. Now this one goes about halfway on this bag. This is a really usable pocket. It's placed well, and the size is about right for most of your daily essentials. So you're talking, sunglasses can go in there, and your AirPods, maybe your most frequently used cord can go in that spot. So very usable little front drop pocket there. All right, you can see we can fluff this baby out to its full size here. And you've got a nice size backpack. And let's look at that main compartment and take a look at what we're dealing with inside the bag. So we'll unzip all the way, and we've got a full clamshell on this bag, which is unique, and shouldn't say unique. It's not what I was expecting from this bag. Inside, you have a couple of interesting pockets. This is not a pocket down here. It's just the bottom stitching for these two pockets. So you've got two drop pockets here, and then you've got an interior zip pocket. And that interior zip pocket runs about, halfway down these pockets. So it runs the width of the bag, but not the depth of the bag. So that's it inside the bag. It's kind of Spartan in here, and on the front flap, nothing. So if you are okay with a minimalist backpack, yeah, not a problem. On the back, you have a laptop compartment. I didn't load this bag out because it's kind of a bare bones bag, but I will show you. This is a 15-inch, this is a 13-inch Surface Laptop 4, and it fits no problem. I think most 15-inch laptops will fit in this bag no problem. The weight distribution on the bag with a laptop in it, no problem at all. Just sling that bad boy right on, no issues. And there's a ton of cushioning around the laptop. All right, so that's our bag, our Abercrombie and Fitch bag, which I was interested to try out. Social media, Instagram in this case, kept pushing this bag on me. And then the bag dropped to about $45, and I thought I'd take a pop on it and see, is it worth snagging? Is it quality? So here's my first two things that I love. The first thing that I love is actually the laptop compartment. Pretty easy to access back here and mega cushioned. Like, these cushions are super thick, and then they've got like a really beefy cushion right here on the pass-through strap, and it's curved, so it's kind of like lumbar supporting. So it's interesting. I like the laptop compartment a lot on this bag. The second thing I really enjoy is these side water bottle pockets, and I like them because they are three-dimensional off the side of the bag. They don't rob at all from the interior storage of this bag. Very useful pockets, and again, you don't have to use them for water bottles. That's what I like. I should also say this is a good pocket up front too. The drop pocket's very useful. I'm used to seeing those on the top of the bag. Having it on the front is interesting too, because there's nothing hanging down into the main compartment of the bag itself. Now, two things that we don't like about this bag. The first thing is the interior storage in the main compartment. To have a bag this cavernous and not at least put a zippered compartment on the front of the bag or a drop pocket, and really only have 3 pockets in this entire bag, not good enough. So there's not even really any MOLLE attachment points or any place or way to customize this bag in a meaningful way. So that's the first thing I don't like about this bag. The second thing that I don't like about this bag is, and this is a big deal for me, the straps themselves aren't that comfortable. So they feel a little cheap. This material feels a little bit cheap. The straps are padded, but not as padded, oddly enough, as the luggage pass-through. Weird. So the straps, which are, as you guys know, kind of a deal breaker if they're not comfortable, not comfortable. So should you buy this bag? Well, first off, this bag is insanely light, like really super light. Like, it may be a pound. Like, this thing has almost no weight at all. And in terms of super light bags that I own, this is one of the largest that weighs this little. So I would think about this at the sale price if you're looking for an insanely light laptop backpack. Like, this thing is insanely light. And if you can get it towards the, $40, $35 price range, and it comes in black, by the way, if you're not crazy about the green colorway. So should you buy this bag? Overall recommendation is pass, just because of the straps and the lack of interior storage. But the one caveat is, for those looking for an insanely super light backpack, this might be one you want to look at. All right, so that's it. That's the review. Abercrombie and Fitch backpack from Instagram. Do I love it? I don't love it. This is not a keeper for me, but hopefully it saves you from clicking that buy button on the shopping section of Instagram, because it is really an appealing picture of this bag that they're using, and it's a cool looking bag. I will admit that. It just lacks some substance for me. All right, everybody. Thanks so much. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe and share it if you don't mind as well. That'll help the channel to keep growing. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye for now.